생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 우리 자기. 생일 축하합니다.
Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your 20s is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.
I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Could you fire the furnace breaks? Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my cold when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So Papa do the dishes in your kitchen sink. Put you to bed when you've got too much K-drama to watch. All I wanna do is grow old with you. We wanna grow
Old with you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you for everything you have done for me. And I hope you have a great life. Thank you.
Kamusta, Mama? I hope you have a good trip to Europe. And I hope you guys be safe. And I hope we could come down too.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma. Wish ko lang is good health para sa iyo at saka more travels and more K-drama.
Hi, Ma'am. So, happy birthday. Sayang hindi kami nakapunta dyan sa Europe, but for sure, like next time, pag okay na ang papers namin, at citizen na kami dito, we'll for sure go there with you again. Hintayin na lang namin pagbalik mo para makapasyal naman tayo sa Texas and Florida. Let's just celebrate when we get back. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo at sa pagiging selfless and lagi kang andyan sa amin. Kaya ang wish ko lang ay great health and more travels for you and Papa, and see you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po,
Happy
Ma.
birthday!
Bye. Enjoy your party.
Keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still.
Wait, I think someone's calling.
Oh, wait, it's for you.
Anong birthday mo? Hi! Happy birthday, Ate Sally! Bati mo, Ma. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Sally. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Hello,
Kailan
Tita
kayo uwi?
Sunny. Happy 70th birthday. God bless you. And you've been here for 7 decades. So, God bless and thank you for everything that you do and help. Thank you po. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday from Chicago to Austria. I'm jealous! Happy birthday, Sister Anyway. We love you, okay?
Ingat po. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Hi, Pete!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally! Alam mo na ano ibig sabihin ko. Uwi ka na, namimit ka na namin. Happy birthday, Tita! Love you!
Hello, Tita! Happy 70th birthday! Ang tita kong pinakamaganda ng mana sa akin ay hindi pala kay Mami. Happy birthday, Tita! Love you!
Happy birthday, Sally!
wish mo?
Basta tayo bigyan ng magdadasal ako na sana bigyan tayo ng lahat ng kapatid na mahabang buhay kung kita pa tayo lalo ang matagal. Kasama-sama tayo ng matagal. Love you!
Enjoy, tita! We love you!
Love you, kapatid. Salamat!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally! Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Happy birthday,
Tita
po,
Sally.
Tita Sally. Happy birthday, Lola Sally. Tita, we wish you many more years of good health, happiness, and beautiful memories with your family, Tita. We love you po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday to you! Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Sana malasing mo kami.
Happy birthday, te!
Hi, Tita Sally! Hello po! Happy 70th birthday! Grabe, 70 ka na, tita. Kalahin mo yun? Parang hindi naman. Parang 45 years old lang. Hindi naman halata. So, wag ka mag-alala sa age mo, ha? Ayun po. Sana po masaya ka ngayong araw na to at nag-e-enjoy dyan sa Vienna. Grabe, ang social-social sa Vienna, Austria. Sana next year, dito naman sa New Zealand, dalawin mo kami, ha? At sana matikman mo yung barbecue namin, o, di ba? Namimiss na po kita, tita. Alala ko yung mga times na inampun mo ako dyan sa Manila. Grabe, lagi tayo nanonood ng mga CD, mga Meet Your Garden, ganyan. Tapos nung galing ka naman ng Korea, lagi tayo nanonood ng mga Korean novela, kahit di naman natin naiintindihan yung sinasabi. Ayun, nagbabasa lang tayo ng mga, anong tawag doon, subtitles, ganyan. Pero tawa pa rin tayo ng tawa, iiyak tayo pag kailangang umiyak, ganun. So, namimiss ko yung mga araw na yun. Walang po malaman ninyo na grateful ako sa lahat-lahat ng mga tinulong niyo sa amin, sa akin, sa pamilya namin. Hindi po namin yun nakakalimutan. Lagi po kaming sinasabihan ni Mama at Papa na lagi kaming papasalamat sa inyo. Kaya alam po ng Diyos na talagang thankful po kami sa inyo. At sana po alam niyo kung gaano kami ka-bless dahil po meron kaming tita kagaya ninyo. O diba? Ang drama-drama ko. Umayak pa ako. Tita, ang wish ko po sa inyo, more blessings, good health, syempre. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dyan, tita, sa Vienna. Sana more travels, yun.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally. Ang Tita Sally ko na yan ay napakabait. Nung araw, tuwing Pasko, bagong taon, napakasaya pag siya ay nandun at marami siyang dalang regalo. Si Tito Pit naman ay marami dalang paputok. Yan ang mga hindi ko makakalimutan na alaala kay Tita Sally. Napakabait niyan, marami na tulong sa akin yan. Financially, alam niyo, tita, hindi ko nakakalimutan yung mga tulong na nagawa niyo sa akin. Hindi man tayo madalas nakakapag-usap, pero hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan. Lalo-lalo na yung mga mabubuting nagawa niyo sa akin. Ang bilis ng panahon. Sa 70th birthday mo, tita, yun lang ang aking dalangin na mahabang buhay at good health. Yun ang number one sa buhay natin, good health. Dahil aanuhin natin ng maraming pera, maraming ari-arian, kung tayo naman ay maraming nararamdaman sa ating katawan. Kaya hiling ko sa Diyos na ang iyong kalusugan ay maging maayos at maging healthy kayo palagi. Happy birthday, tita. We love you. From Aguila.
Happy birthday, tita! Happy 70th birthday po. Happy birthday sa ninang ko, tagapagtanggol ko, kakampi ko lagi. Happy birthday, tita. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong birthday nyo. I miss you, tita. Bye-bye!
Hello! Hi, ate!
I know it's your birthday, June 19. Oh my God. Mukha ka pa rin 25 years old. I love you, ate. Kahit ano mangyari, kahit nasa malayo kami, palagi ko pa rin kayong nasa puso ko, kayong mga kapatid ko, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Lahat kayo. Ate, happy birthday. I pray na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. Good health and more happiness. Okay, ate. Love you and enjoy your day.
Hi, Tita Sally. Happy birthday po. Happy 70th birthday. Wow, Tita, 70. But you only look 60. 70 is the new 60. Tita, I love you. I miss you. I'm wishing you all the blessings in the world to come your way on your 70th birthday. I miss your spaghetti. Ingat po kayo dyan, Tita, palagi. I hope we can visit Colorado soon. Have a great time on your birthday, Tita. Love you.
Hi, Tita Sally. Happy birthday po. Cheers to 70th birthday and praying po for many more birthdays, good health, and ingat po kayo palagi. Miss you, Tita. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Lola Sally. I wish you po good health and God bless po and happy birthday po ulit. Bye-bye!
Sally, sayang hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo. Kaya babati na lang kita ng happy birthday! Wish you all the best!
Hello, Ate Sally, happy birthday po and happy 70th birthday po and wishing you all the best na long live po at regards po sa inyo from my family po. Greetings from Gary po dito sa Milan, Italy. Hello! And regards po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello po, Auntie Sally. In behalf of my family, kami po ay bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan sa inyo. Sana po palagi kayong malakas, malayo sa sakit, kasama ng buong pamilya. Mula dito sa Milan, happy 70th birthday po. And regards po sa lahat.
Hi po sa ating lahat! Sa pinakamasayang tao sa araw na ito, who is Auntie Sally or
Lola Sally!
welcome to your 70s. If 7 is a lucky number, then 70 is 10 times luckier. May God bless you with good health and long life. And may all your wishes come true. Happy and blessed birthday! Mwah!
Blessed good day po sa inyong lahat as we celebrate Mama Sally's 70th birthday. We would like to greet you happy birthday on behalf of MJ and Mike. We wish you all the best and good health, more travel and adventures to come and more blessings to come. Stay beautiful inside and out and enjoy your celebration and enjoy the tour sa Europe. Regards po sa inyong lahat. Sending our hugs and kisses. We love you. Mwah.
Hello po, Auntie. Kumusta po? Happy birthday. More birthdays to celebrate. God bless po. Love you. Miss you po.
Good morning or good evening. Hindi ko alam po anong oras nyo rin dyan sa Austria. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Tsaka binabati ko yung celebrant natin na si Sally. Happy birthday, Sally. Hiling ko sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ng kalakasan para maantay natin yung mga apo natin sa kanilang paglaki. Kaya happy birthday, good health, and God bless you always. See you on Facebook.
Mahaba, Tita Sally. We may not celebrate this day like others do. But please know that we really appreciate you, not only today but every day. And thank you for always taking care of Uncle Pete and always being a great mom. And because of that, we'd like to host your visit here in Dubai. And the Strait of Dubai. But before that, we'd like to share you first a Bible verse which is really fitting for a mom and a wife like you. Di?
Tita Sally, in Proverbs 31, 27-28, it says, "She watches over the activity of her household, and the bread of laziness she does not eat. Her children rise up and declare her happy. Her husband rises up and praises her."
Wow. See? So, we'll see you here in Dubai. Ciao!
Hello, Auntie. I just want to wish you a wonderful birthday filled with happiness, peace, and all the love you deserve. Today is not just a celebration of another year, but also a celebration of the strong, brave, and caring woman you have always been. Being the wife of a soldier is not easy. It never was. And I've always admired how strong you stayed through all the challenges. While Uncle Pete was serving the country, you were also serving the family in your own way. Holding everything together at home, raising the family on your own, and making sure everyone was cared for no matter how difficult things got. That kind of strength and sacrifice deserves so much respect. You've always been someone who quietly carries responsibilities with courage and grace, and I know my cousins, si Tristan, si Baby Rose, Chrissy, are who they are today because of your love, guidance, and hard work over the years. Not everyone sees the sacrifices behind being a soldier's wife, but they are real and they matter. Thank you for being such a loving mother, a supportive wife, and an inspiration to the family. May God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and many more beautiful birthdays to come. May you have a longer life and a peaceful one as you share your alone time with Uncle. No more sharing with the rest of the country. So happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Sally. I thank God for blessing us with wonderful auntie that supported Uncle Pete, our cousins and pamankins. You're truly a strong glue that kept your own household intact and thriving no matter what life throws at you. You're a great example of a matriarch that should be admired, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. May you enjoy your special day and may God continue to bless you with good health, longer life, and more love. Keep blooming po. Again, happy birthday.
Birthday, ate. Masaya po ako para sa inyo at narating ninyo ang 70th birthday sa Austria pa, sa Europe. Sana all mag-tour. Gusto ko man pong umattend, gawal na po sa oras. Kaya paparating ko na lang po yung wish ko dito. Ang wish ko para sa inyo ay patuloy po kayong maging masaya at patuloy po kayong i-bless ng Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan kasama ng mga pamilya, nila kuya, at ang ating mga pamangkin at apo. Gayon din, sabi nga, age by grace, kaya hindi po kayo tumatanda. Sabi, 70 is just a number. May nabasa din ako na doon sa Psalm na they will bear fruit in their old age and will stay fresh and green. Yung pala, dahil nag-aalaga pa rin po tayo ng apo sa edad natin ito. We were so blessed. Kaya blessed po kayo, ate. I love you po. Sana lagi kayong andyan, healthy, para may sandalan din tayo na magkakasama. Love you po, and I wish you happiness. Cheers! Love you. Happiest birthday and a blessed one. Love you, ate. God bless.
Hello po, ate. Happy birthday, Ate Sally. Pinapabot po namin ang pagbati sa inyo mula dito sa Bulinaw, Pangasinan. Ingat po lagi, ate.
Hello po, tita. Happy birthday. Wishing you a long and healthy life po. God bless po.
Happy birthday, auntie. Wishing you a great day. God bless you po.
Happy birthday po, Tita Sally. Wishing you good health and long life po. Ingat po palagi.
Hello po, Tita Sally. Happy birthday po. We wish you good health and more blessings and hope to see you soon po.
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday po, Tita Sally. Stay safe, healthy, and God bless po.
Hey, Tita Sally. Happy birthday po. And God bless you always po. And mas marami po sana kayong blessings na matanggap. And palagi po kayong healthy. Bye-bye.
Hello! Magandang umaga o tanghali o magandang gabi sa inyong lahat yan. Judy, anak, Lot, J-Boy, Katarina, Sander, hello! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? At kumusta naman ang mga bisita natin dyan, lalong-lalo na sa ating birthday celebrant, si Ate Sally. Happy birthday, ate! More birthdays to celebrate. Sayang, wala ako dyan. Pero anyway, enjoy your day. Send nyo na lang kami ng mga message nyo dyan, yung mga happenings nyo dyan. Kakaingit, sana nandyan ako. Sige, happy birthday na lang, ate. Flowers for you. Cheers!
Hello po, auntie. Happy birthday po. Stay healthy. And enjoy your stay po sa Vienna. Regards na lang po sa mga pamangkin ko, kanila Ate Lot, Kuya Judy, and stay healthy po. God bless po and happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Sally. Good afternoon or good morning over there in Austria. I'm in Vienna sa mga pamangkin mo at sa mga family mo. I heard that it's your birthday and I'm just here to say happy birthday to you. Enjoy your vacation, and I'm still here in New York with the graduation of my grandson in West Point. So again, happy birthday. Enjoy your vacation with your family and have a great time. Happy birthday!
Greetings from New Jersey, US of A. Hello, my dear Sally. Congratulations on your 70 years of being young, a privilege denied to so many. You're still shining brighter than the sun. I sincerely wish this will be your best birthday ever. But if not, don't worry. I'm pretty sure your next one, your 71st, will be as great. I'm sending lots of love and kisses on your special day, and happy birthday, my dear lady. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mare. As beautiful as always. Yan ang kumare ko. Enjoy life. Stay safe. And more troubles to come. Happy birthday ulit. I love you. Bye-bye. Hello, Maring Sally. We miss you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mare. Namimiss ka namin dito. Oh, yes. Abangan na namin yung dating mo. Oh, yes. Excited. Happy birthday, Mare. Wish wish you all the best and take care. Enjoy your birthday. Ingat lagi para good health tayo. Kita-kits na yan. Soon. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sally. From Alex and me, stay happy, pretty, and healthy as always. Oh, Papa.
Happy birthday, Ate Sally! Love you!
Hello, good evening everyone. I know this is a very joyous day for you, Sally, my dear Mista. Happy 70th birthday. From the bottom of my heart, I wish all the desires of your heart will be given by the Lord Jesus Christ. I hope you will have a good time enjoying your birthday celebration with your husband and your daughters and your grandchildren. Thank you, Sally, for being a part of my family, and I am being a part of yours as well. Again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sally.
Hi, Sally! Happy birthday! More blessings and love and happiness and long life. May this moment filled with joy, laughter, and love. I love you! Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. 와! 둘, 셋. 아미 생일 축하해요. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 아미 생일 축하합니다.
Anong message niyo kay Mama?
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama.
Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang bibig ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo.
Happy birthday.